Hello students. So today we are going to start the excretory system, right? So in case of your biology syllabus, what we should learn from the excretory system and from where the question it will come. So let's discuss. First, I like to write in case of the excretory system, we should learn the excretory system. The excretory system composition. Okay, means what are the structures it will arise in case of the total means full complete of the excretory system. Structure we should learn. Okay, structure. Second, the function of the excretory system. Okay, function of the excretory system you have to learn. Okay, so in the life process, the excretory system structure and the function you have to study. 3. The structural unit. Structural unit of excretory system. Excretory system you have to learn, and as well as when we are reading the structure, that means after that it will be followed by the function, right? So function obviously it will come of the nephron. Okay, nephron means the unit of the excretory system, right? So point number 5, the urine formation. Urine formation, how it will occur in case of the human body we have to study. So these are the 5 points you have to learn. Okay, so next we are going to discuss the excretory system structure and the function. So today we will discuss about the structure. So we know that if we will open the excretory system like this system we can get. Okay, so excretory system mainly it is composing of the one pair of kidney. We know that one pair of kidney it will there. Okay, next one pair of ureter. One pair of ureter it will be there. Next urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay students, and last of all to which the apparatus it will remove finally the urine from the body. It will be obviously the urethra. Okay, so these are the all points or all the structural parts of the excretory system. So again I am recalling, one pair of kidney it will be there, one pair of ureter it will be there, one the sac-like structure, the urinary bladder it will be there, and one porous-like structure means pore-like structure it will be the urethra. Okay, so let's label in this diagram. So that's why I have to remove this chart. So in case of the kidney, how many kidneys are found? There are 2 kidneys are found. So these both are the 2 kidney. Okay, these both are the 2 means one pair of kidney it will arise in the excretory system and one pair of the ureter. Okay, ureter, it will arise from the kidney, and what is its function? It will connect the kidney with the urinary bladder. Okay, so now let's point the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay, and to which pore the urine it will pass, this pore it will be called as the urethra. Urethra. Okay, and see students, I have not labeled these two, means this the blue color part and the orange color part I have not labeled. Why? Because these two are the blood capillaries part. These blue capillaries, it will be called as the renal vein. What it is? Again I am telling, renal vein. Okay, and this the orange color part, it will be called as the renal artery. Renal artery. Okay, so renal artery and the renal vein, these are the two components of the blood vessels which carry the waste material with the blood vessels inside the kidney, and the renal artery, after the separation or after the filtration, whatever the necessary components it will be remain inside the kidney, that type of materials it will be carried out by the renal artery. Okay, if you have any queries or any questions, you can comment me. Okay, so thank you.